got this rack all ready to go. Kind of looks like that from the front. All 6 of the mixes labeled mix 1, 3, 5, and then 2 and 4 over here, and 6 of course. As you can kind of see, they're all getting level at different frequencies. Getting level, different frequencies, like that. And the way I set these up is really simple, but they'll come right back up this way. Is they're all in a group 1. That's group 1, unit 1, and group 1, unit 2, and group 1, unit 3, and 4, and 5, 6. The first 4 units, 1, 3, 2, and 4 are coming through the antenna combiner right here, and then this antenna is feeding mix 5 here, and this antenna is feeding mix 6 here. So all independent, and the all the mixes, the receivers are up here, all labeled. It's mix 6, mix 1, so on and so forth. And go into the back of the rack here. We'll show you what's going on. There's the back of your units. This is your snake here, all stereo outs. So they're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 outputs times 2. And then the antenna is coming in right here into the combiner, which is this antenna up here. Okay, and that does the first 4 units. Like I said, the first 4 units. And then down in here you can see that's the panel, and that goes to this mix and this mix. Okay, it's really pretty straightforward. This will just be hooked up here, your snake, like so, right? So they'll just kind of live in the rack. You will need to plug in the antenna. I'll leave this side in, and you'll just need to plug in that side. The antenna will live in the rack door. The back of the console is like this. Your console has 16 outputs, so I'm just using stereo mixes. So as you can see, that goes all the way then to 12. So you know, this is output mix 1 stereo, so 2 there, and mix 2 output stereo, and mix 3, and mix 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Kind of an idea. Pretty straightforward, really. I don't think you're going to have much problems with it, or any, as a matter of fact. I'll include all the manuals and everything, but you can kind of look here. This is really pretty simple. I was talking about the groups. Let me go back over here real quick. So that's on group 1, mix 1, 576.125 megahertz. So we come over here, and I got these set up. As you can see, here's all the different channels here, and here's the group 1, and then you just match up this number, that number, that number, that number, 6 of those numbers. And this is just what Audio Technica recommends. If putting them in groups, and then it'll automatically select the frequencies. If you select the L band, for example, group 1, channel 1, and it automatically picks the frequency. Or you can auto scan, but for the most part, it shouldn't have any interference at all. Comes with the 6. Hang on a second, let me dig in here. Comes with 6 ears. Oh, hold tight, hang on. Should have had one of these out. Anyway, there you go. So 6 of these. AT ears at least gives your guys some buds if they don't have any. There's 6 of those. There's spare antennas I'll pack, spare power supplies, and so on and so forth, man. But it's pretty sweet, pretty sweet. You got power on the front, so you can plug your console in there, or charging phones or an iPad or whatever. That's pretty convenient. This right here turns the whole rack on and off, so you don't have to I just leave all the units on, and just this switch right here turns it off, turns it on, closes it up, keeps somebody from bumping into it. So that pretty much turns the whole unit on, is that one switch right there. Let me go back to the back here one more time, and you can see you still have there's 6 outlets back there. I'm only using 3 of them, so you still have 3 outlets in the back here. It's a conditioner, not a regulator, so conditioner. And then your rack drawer, it'll all fit down in here. I carpeted it, so that looks pretty nice. So